Right, USA, coming to a city near you. We in the city of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. That ass stove. It's like, I quit. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I mean, I'm saying, people, you see that ass stove. I quit. We're down here at the watering hole, hiking through the bushes and trees, the fields. Oh my God, people, do you hear the monkeys in the distance? It's like, no, there are none. We're in Pittsburgh. Well, not Pittsburgh, but Robinson. Oh, excuse me, guys. Pennsylvania cats. You know, we're just going out here, see what's out here in Anywhere USA, coming to a city near you. Oh, dear Jesus, did you hear the twig snap? There's a Yeti hit it right for us.
Shut the fuck up.
If I lose my service, guys, you know what happened to me. You know what happened? If I just disappear, oh God. It's like, nah, party people. I'm just waving my phone around. Oh my God, no, but seriously, guys, look at this greenery. The trees and the paths. Got our boys in the back carrying the bear. How long is this path?
I mean, it keeps going around the whole thing.
Jesus. I just want to get near the water. I hear vocals. Look, there's another one.
Getting near the water right here.
Yeah, but we can't sit here though.
Yeah,
I mean,
oh no.
unless they're gonna take their clothes off and wade in the water like we're middle-aged slaves, I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, here we go. We're getting somewhere now. We're getting somewhere.
For real? Like, what kind of at that spot would you die?
If he would have crashed 10 feet farther and didn't hit that tree, his truck would have flipped on.
Is it? Like, literally just
I mean, we could post here, or we could sit up there, just to sit there, and then chill down here. We're looking for a place to sit stuff at, right? Unless you want to sit here. Sit in here and say fuck it. She won't get sour, that's where we're going. Well, dude, I'm wearing tennis shoes. You're not even wearing shoes. Of course I got it, but I'm hoping they don't drop the beer. Look at these guys. My girl doesn't even have shoes on, though.
What do you mean? Because I be doing that shit.
I know we be doing it. I was like, look at them with the beer.
What?
Yes! I didn't know where the fuck you were going. Well, this is actually a spot where you can jump off to.
We are not jumping. I cannot swim. I mean, I'll jump, but if I drown, he's going to come get me.
I'm gonna get you.
Okay, then I'll jump.
Well, we're not going there.
We're not going
That's
there.
populated.
Oh my God, look how much water there is.
That's what I'm saying. This is a whole little cul-de-sac.
I still want to be able to get in it though, and that water down there doesn't look too innable.
Listen, I dropped my phone here once and I had to walk all the way back.
Oh God. I would die if I jumped from here right now, but if the water is deeper, I would definitely jump. These guys are tired. They have the beer.
Do you want to take the beer?
We could take the beer.
Or do you want us to sit down?
Do you want us to take the beer and you guys just carry the towels?
No, where we going?
Are
We
almost
keep going.
We're almost there.
Yeah, we are almost there.
We're about to be there.
Like halfway. It's like, not no. It's like a quarter of the way.
Yeah, it's more than 4.
We're like almost there right now.
We're pretty much almost there. We're just getting away from like all where the people are. And this is like a big.
All right, get the step on. Let's go. Next time I stop, that's me.
We can come back, have a fire right here.
Definitely have a fire.
Shit, man. I ain't going. What you mean?
Hey, I need that shoes.
Today, stepping on the back of my feet. I'm gonna let you lead. You lead the horse. You lead the horse. I'm just
I even got a blanket for us so when we get to the spot, we can just sit down. I got a blanket. I got a blanket and my towel that I'm not going to use. Because, you know, I like to air dry.
I like the air.
I prefer to air dry. Like, I'll just lay there while I'm wet and just absorb the heat. Do me first. Me first. Shoot me first. We have arrived.
And we can keep going to buy water.
They don't want to go either. I'm going to take my shoes off and walk up that way.
I mean, we got it kind of.
Whenever we
water
do.
is not flowing.
This
I gotta
one's not
get-
fun. It's fun. That
That's
one.
some dirt.
This is stagnant. That is fun. Look at that. That's gross.
That's that bitch who threw it that last time. Let me stop.
It's from that fat bitch that wouldn't leave our house for the week. She finally took the bath and that was the result. No, but seriously, this is what happens to our water when you throw trash in it.